Oh shit. YouTube, what's up guys? Back at it again with another YouTube video on this bitch. Super exciting day today. We just got something in the mail. Something for the V4, obviously, as why else would we'd be putting this on the channel. I'm looking a little bummy right now. I was a little excited. Had to immediately come outside and, you know, try to get some content for you guys. So the box is over there, as you can see. So today we're gonna do a full unboxing, and then we're gonna get an install. But first, let's find out what it is. Let's unbox this together, guys. Let's figure out exactly what this is and what we've got coming in. Look at that. It's all stapled up. Put down in the comment what you guys think it is first. Take a guess, and whoever gets it right, I'll give you I don't know. I'll give you a rub and tug. Anyway, let's get back to it. First one out. Oh shit. Second one is out. Third one is out. Last one is out. Oh, missed one. Damn. Alright guys. Let's see what we got. That's what it is. We got bubble wrap. Hell yeah. No, I'm playing. As you can see, if you can see through the bubble wrap, which I don't know how much I want to actually unwrap, you can't really see in there, but there is in fact an Austin Racing exhaust in. Oh,
what's up, man?
What's up, man? Go ahead, go around in there. Gonna have to cut that out. Yes guys, we got ourselves an Austin Racing exhaust straight from Austin Racing. Let's take it all the way out first. Look at that. They sent some Austin Racing gear, sent a hoodie, a beanie. Hey, big ups to Austin Racing. I think maybe they took notice of the fact that I have, if any of you guys didn't know, I have dreads and my hair is really long. So had they sent a hat, this would have been useless, but a beanie, this works. This is great. So we got, so far in terms of gear, we got a hoodie, we got a mask, you know, because the big Rona running around here, you know, taking people out. You got a beanie, a metric shit ton of screws, which I do not want to mess with or mess up. Something else that I don't know what it is, and also don't want to mess up or break. And then we got the final piece to the exhaust. Look at that. Funny thing, oh here, let me show you guys. Let me show you. So a lot of people, I didn't even know, which I think is fucking hilarious. Just pretty funny. So what's funny is when I first bought the bike, right, I seen the single exit out the side, right? So I'm like, oh, okay, cool, you know, blah blah blah, you know, don't really think anything of it. And then I'm looking online, and I'm like looking at the exhaust itself, and I'm like, why is there two exits? That's stupid. This bike doesn't have two exits. Yes, it does, dumbass. So yeah, guys, I'm sure nobody actually wants to see it in bubble wrap, so let me just bite the bullet on this one at the very least. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Oh yeah. Your boy is super excited right now. Look at that, guys. Straight from Austin Racing. Man. Look at that, guys. That is a thing of beauty. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's take out the other one too. Might as well. Why not? Because fuck it. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, not again. Ooh. Oh yeah, guys. This is too nice. Big shout out, humongous shout out to Austin Racing. Loving it. Let me know what you guys think of this exhaust. Let me know what you guys think of the look. Obviously it's not on, so you only give so much of an opinion when it comes to what it looks like off. Look, ignore the ashiness too, okay? We gonna get through it. We gonna get through it. I need to put some lotion on, as a matter of fact, anyway. But like I said, ignore that. We gonna get past that. Get past all that, all right? Anyway, I was given a few options on what to do in relation to how it looks, but I ended up going with this option because I think that it would match best with the way that the bike is currently looking. As a matter of fact, here, let me take you guys out there. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So check this out, right? So, boom. See the bike, right? And then just use your imagination. But we're about to go put it on anyway, so you shouldn't really need to use your imagination. All you gotta do is wait. As you can see, this is the primary reason why I wanted to go with this look. Tricolor stitching, tricolor on the Austin Racing exhaust head itself. I mean, it's the perfect matchy match. Got the nice, beautiful black. Carbon on the front, all over the bike. I think it just matches so perfectly, so nicely, and that's exactly why I went with Austin Racing. So, how you doing? So,
Well, say something, for Christ's sake.
I'm making my YouTube video. I gotta finish up. Oh yeah, very. Anyway, as I was saying, guys, I went back and grabbed the other pipe so you could see what it looked like coming out the other side. As you can see, this would be coming out this side. This is gonna be insane. First, we're gonna take it to the shop. As always, Lap Motorsports. You guys know exactly where I always go, where me and BH always go. Without further ado, let me go inside, get changed, you know, do everything I gotta do, and then that way we can get it all mounted, get everything installed, and then from there we can see what the bike looks like. So, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, you will. So guys, we're here over at Lap Motorsports as always. We met up with BH since BH wrote the Harley today. He had to let him know.
1998 original mileage. 9,350 original miles.
9,350 and a half original OG miles. Y'all ain't never gonna see nothing like this. This is the OG of all OGs. You guys are never gonna see anything like this. It don't get any better than this, guys. But oh yeah, guys, as you can see, the bike is done. We got the bike back. First, we'll show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Coolest thing that Jimmy did for us. Our quad lock, new quad lock mount that Jimmy mounted directly to the battery cover, which is super dope. Custom mount for the bike. The exhaust is on. It is fully installed and mounted. Check that shit out. I can't lie, I was gonna do a sound reveal for myself as well, but I heard the shit yesterday when they finished it up. So, but for you guys, videos never do sound justice. No. It never does sound like this justice. But well, yeah, we'll do what we can.
I mean, it's close to what it would sound like in real life.
True. Here we go, guys. Check this shit out.
3, 2, 1.
Jesus Christ. Fuck. God damn. Oh shit. God damn. Oh yeah, guys. New and improved. Sounds insane. Alright, that's enough for that. Way better. Humongous improvement. I'm super happy with it. Definitely got to take it over Cars and Coffee this weekend. That is a absolute must. So if you guys are in the area, if you're in SoCal, you guys want to see me and BH meet up or even go riding a little bit, maybe. Yeah, maybe a little group ride, then slide over to Cars and Coffee this Saturday down at the San Clemente Outlets, and you'll see us there, meet up with us. Comment down below what you think of the new exhaust, how it sounds, and what you think about it. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Quick little video of the new and improved V4. I feel like the last video was new and improved, but now I guess it's more newer and more improved. So yeah, finally got a new exhaust. Phase 1 of the V4 project is almost done. We got a few more parts coming, a few more things that we're gonna do to it, and yeah. So as always guys, like, comment, all that bullshit, you know. See you guys in the next one. Ride hard, live fast, no limits. We out.